I'm in Palm Beach Gardens to check out a new location called Ila Curry and Cocktails. After just 1 year of being open, they moved to a new location because it was so popular. Cardamom is one of Chef Pushkar's favorite spices. It's both sweet and savory. He even named his new restaurant Ila, which is Sanskrit for cardamom. Gulab Jamun means rosewater berry. It's a classic dessert that's popular in India. It's made from milk solids that are reduced to a consistency of a soft dough. It is often garnished with dried nuts to enhance the flavor. Today, the chef and owner Pushkar is cooking it. This is not Pushkar's first time on the show, so he is prepared for any bad jokes I'm going to make.
So what we're gonna start off with is adding this heavy cream gradually. Start forming into a dough. Now you kind of want to knead it where it stops sticking to the surface. Form a really nice, perfect circular. I'm gonna drop it.
What are you cooking it in?
I'm cooking this in a ghee. Ghee is caramelized clarified butter.
So what type of size are we looking for here?
Yeah, that's a good size. Make it tight,
Yeah, how you doing there, Dad?
I don't know. I'm working.
All right, let's see.
Who made a
That's
better
too
one?
big. You're doing better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't cry, come on. Sorry.
You have to drop it on the side so you're not splashing all that hot oil on you. And then as they float and then the color is kind of getting darker, you want to make sure you're kind of rotating them too. Look how this is what you want.
Beautiful.
Get all that fat out. Then you just drop it in here.
Right in the syrup.
Syrup has saffron. Then you have green cardamom. They become like a sponge. You have to taste along the steps. So here, go for it.
Can I do that too?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're allowed, you're allowed.
Let's do
We'll
a
get a
little
taste.
gulab jamun together.
Cheers, cheers.
Yes, sir.
Gulab Jamun. Oh my God. That is a beautiful dessert. It's soft, it's soggy, it has
Yep.
all the moisture in there. It's a beautiful donut, Chef.